Meaning of excrescence.
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 Excrescence. Excrescence refers to an abnormal growth or outgrowth, often in the form of a tumor or a lump. This growth may appear on the surface of the skin, in an organ or tissue, or within bones. Excrescences can be benign or malignant, and may lead to various symptoms such as pain, disfigurement, and interference with normal bodily functions. Treatment options depend on the type, location, and severity of the excrescence, and may include surgical removal, radiation therapy, or chemotherapy. Prompt diagnosis and treatment are important in managing excrescences and preventing complications.